SoftExpert offers the industry's most advanced and comprehensive software suite for compliance and performance management that meets the stringent needs of the transportation and logistics industry in all aspects, including compliance with the strictest global regulations, controlling documentation, managing assets, maintenance, non-conformities, and much more. To help you manage your assets, SC Asset maintains detailed records of asset service schedules, locations, verification usage, maintenance, and it also provides a powerful search capabilities to allow you to instantly list and organize assets by category, status, condition, special attributes, and many other fields. In addition, SC Asset integrates with enterprise business systems to enable truly strategic balancing of the trade-offs between asset availability and utilization. The solution was designed to help you with managing details of every company asset, as well as selecting the right equipment for a particular job, keeping it in working order for as long as possible, and replacing it in a well-organized way, producing as little disruption as possible. With SC Request, you can manage the entire request lifecycle from its beginning to its end. It offers approval controls, service effectiveness, analysis searches, and reports that gives users a quick overview of all requests. The solution streamlines teamwork through a powerful mechanism that controls pending items and automatically notifies those individuals responsible for the service automatically via email. This guarantees managers and their teams a simple and effective control over their objectives and priorities, thereby optimizing compliance with deadlines and results. SC Maintenance is an easy-to-use and affordable tool that performs all of the planning and controls of maintenance activities of equipment and facilities, maximizing the effectiveness of maintenance and reducing associated costs. The solution identifies, associates, schedules, and manages asset management plans, as well as executes maintenance, approves requests, delegates tasks, and much more. SC Maintenance also monitors and manages various maintenance aspects through indicators, asset history, master lists, costs, graphs, dashboards, and much more. Customize the non-conformity management flow according to your business needs. You can also configure business rules for quick problem solving. The system can inform you a host of other data, including costs, regulatory documents, performance indicators, and much more. The complete lifecycle of the nonconformity is easily managed from the initial reporting all the way through approval, root cause analysis, and definition of actions. perform analysis and investigations of root causes at any stage of the problem-solving process with graphic and intuitive tools. SE Document allows companies in the transportation and logistics sector to effectively and efficiently automate management of electronic and paper-based documents through their entire lifecycle. The solution allows you to organize documents in categories according to your needs. The information is structured by using attributes to describe, explain, find, and allow for easy discovery and/or user management. Guarantee the reliability and confidentiality of documents by configuring security features by category or individual documents. These security features can also grant or deny permissions to access documents to teams, areas, functions, users, and others. Access controls are also vast and can define many aspects such as viewing, editing, and printing records. The review process may be carried out following the ISO 9000 model, covering the elaboration, consensus, approval, and homologation stages. You can also customize your review process according to your business rules. The solution provides fast and safe access to the most up-to-date documents in your organization. As we've seen in the video, SE Suite simplifies and standardizes excellence and compliance management process through a central point of access to all up-to-date data. Our solutions also manage other important aspects not covered in this video, such as waste management, performance management, competence management, and much more. For more information, please visit our website at www.softexpert.com or email us at sales@softexpert.com.